Hey there, and how are you today? So yeah, I'm excited about this. So it's so we have it here, and it has, so the mini fashion dream wardrobe. It comes with an exclusive bag, which I'm guessing is this one. Whoops, there we go. Which I'm guessing is this one. All right, woo, all right. And you get some. It has 15 pieces, and a real light up mirror. And from what I've seen in other unboxings, it does fit a Barbie. So, extra bonus. But enough, well, oh gosh, I want to get right to opening it up. But I realize that sometimes you also have to look at the boxes. You know how hard that is? Oh my gosh, for someone like me, it's really hard. But anyway, okay, so, so here's the side. So here's the back. A little bit more of which we can expect in there with all the different pieces. Okay, and we have the UPC code for anyone if you want to try to order it. And yeah, yeah. So anyway, now though I can't wait anymore. I'm sorry. I want to get it out. So let me get it out of the box. Okay, so I have it out of the box. It does come with its own little instructions, which is good. So, so I guess these are all the pieces that are in there and everything. So, I guess we'll put it together and see how it goes. So, yeah, all right. Guess I'll start with my daughter, by the way. When she saw this box, the girl who, I don't like dolls. She's the one who wanted me to hurry up and open it up so she could take a look inside. But she doesn't like dolls. Like I see. That's interesting. So anyway, let's put those over there. So anyway, I keep saying so anyway. Why am I doing that? Nah, don't ask. She opened up a lot of these bags because she wanted to see what was in them. I swear it was her. I promise. I'm not laying the blame on her when I did it. I would own it. So anyway, so here's one bag, and it has, I guess, the top of the dresser or something. Okay, so it opens a little firm right now, but it's got the pink and the kind of the gold around the edge. It does have the knob. All right, so how do I put this together? Okay, so this needs not those. Okay. Here's some things here. I think that's everything's in there. So we have some hangers in here too. Black hangers, and they have the little mini fashion thing and a little. Wow, nice, okay. So, okay, now, ones are for the table. So, all right. They're not as solid as they... Okay, stop complaining. But there, it's a good height. All right. Okay, so that's one thing. Now it's in here. We have, Oh, okay. A chest, which would be nice to keep some of the other stuff in. So it opens up and closes very nicely. All right. So it looks like it's kind of like a marbled leather on top. It would, or like it would be. So, all right. Okay, I can appreciate that. All right, all right. Okay, here is another. Oh, she didn't open all the bags. Oh my goodness, she left me some to open myself. All right, so what's in this bag? And in this bag we have the cushion seat and like a head. All right, something you can put the hats on. I like that. So these must be for the chair then. Yes, okay, so see if I got this right. Doesn't matter which side it goes on. Okay. And then this goes here. All right, there we go. We have a bench. Yay! Tra-la-la-la. Okay, there we go. Sorry for singing. And I sing badly. I apologize to you. You deserve so much better than that. Okay, so what's in here? Okay, we have a whole bunch of things in here. Check that out. So what do we have? Let's pour it out and see. Tilt it down. Okay, so we have a lamp. Well, but anyway, there's the lamp. Okay, we have a mirror. Okay, yes. I'm not taking the plastic off of it yet because, I mean, the covering off the mirror. Okay, so it doesn't actually tilt. I'm trying to tilt it, and it does not tilt. So there's that. And the flowers are a little rough shape. What happened to you flowers? I think I can fix the flower, though. Okay, and it looks like it goes on this one. Ah, there we go. Not too horrible. Look at the flower. Pretty, though, huh? Look at them. Oh, and they have a little... I'm sorry, like you've got to be able to smell it. But they have a little scent to them. So... all right. I'm happy with that. You hear my poor sad cat back there? I think I need to go and let him in. Oh, I need to get the purse. What am I thinking? I didn't get the purse. Excuse me while I rip this box apart to get to the purse. So, here's the purse. Oh, I like it. Okay, and of course we know it opens. And it's got the filler on the inside. And it looks like it's kind of a snake skin or alligator skin kind of purse in gold. Okay, so now I have directions to see what else goes where. So I've got stuff put together. So, okay, so for this part I have this. It's printed on both sides. That's good. So, it goes with this, and it shows it, okay, from back here, and I'm supposed to slide it. Oh, I see what those other pink things are for. Okay. I'm getting it now. I'm getting it now. There for here to hold the backing in. Very clever. Not me, but very clever that they did that. All right, okay. So we have that, and I guess now we open up the closet. Okay, oh, look, we have a place to hang more things. Isn't that clever? Sorry, I gotta stop being so happy with everything. It's very difficult because I tend to be a happy person, so, you know, there is that. And it looks like this then slides in. Nope, there's a longer one. Let's find the one that fits on here. Okay, see it has these little lines here? So I'm guessing that goes here, and let me make sure I can see it from there. All right, okay. And then I guess, can the hangers fit in this closet? Sort of. I think they're going to be better. I think, yeah, they'll be better hanging someplace else, though. But still, all right. We have a closet. Yay. And I guess I better put together this thing next. Here we go. And I have more pink tabs. Yay! To hold everything in place. All right, now let's get this one in here. I guess it goes at the top. There we go. What are the other shelves for? It looks like they're like for shelves, but I don't see any shelves. Can you order shelves separately or something? Is that a thing? And it looks like this connects to that. So it does. Okay. Let's do that next, shall we? Okay, so it takes a little finagling, or it took a little finagling for me, but here's what it looks like in the corner when it's all together. And then here we go, like so, as well. All right. And we have, so that bench can go there. Oh, I'll put the purse in. The hangers will go in here. Yes, I like that. So it makes a nice I'm going to have to add this to the wardrobe. I'm still finishing, though. I don't know. I kind of like this. Wow. Grr. Okay, let me put this here. And I guess this can get added on anywhere. But I guess if you're looking for a little more length to your, to this, that works. And then this chest. Does it go in the bottom there? I know I've seen it where it was, but does it fit? I'm going to put it up there. There we go. It's a little snug, but it works for me. All right, so we have this mirror. I will take the film off the mirror now, though. Look at that, huh? Aren't you beautiful? Look at you guys. Then we have the lamp. I have got to... can I make this? Sorry. I'm preoccupied with stupid things. And then we have to put the flowers up here. I like it. I do. I like it. I actually like it more than I thought I would. Go figure. All right, now I'd like to see how it looks with the Barbie. So let's bring her down. I think she's so pretty. She's one of them. Oh, sorry. Don't let me get going on how pretty I think they are. So let's make sure she actually, I know she's going to fit because, we've been seeing them fit. And she does fit. So. She fits very nicely. All right. I like it. I do. I like it a lot. I think it's absolutely fantastic. So, yeah. I'm considering, though, after saying I like it, I'm considering painting the shelves white. Let me know in the comments if you think that's a good idea or a bad idea. But I am considering painting this part white, but leaving the back with a pink and gold print. Because it is a lot of pink. But anyway, let me know what you think. So anyway, thank you very much for stopping by. I thought about adding a lot of the accessories I already have, into all this and everything. I did think about doing it, but I know you guys have seen you'll probably have seen more of these unboxings. So, you've seen all that too, where people add everything. But I think it's wicked cute. I do think it's just so pretty. Oh, wait. I want to see how the carpet looks. Hang on. All right, I'm back. I got this at Target in the back to school section, believe it or not. So let me put this down and see what that looks like. So let's see. What do you think, huh? Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. Okay. I'm going to have to get more of either I need to get more of these or, because this was going to go in the Barbie home, but I kind of like it with this. Oy, my goodness, choices. What am I supposed to do with making all these choices? So anyway, I'll post the, like I said, I think I already said it. I'm going to post the price when I edit this video. So anyway, thank you very much for stopping by. If you like this video, please hit like. Please hit subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. And if you are a subscriber, I appreciate you guys. Thank you very much for being subscribers. And those of you who comment down below, that's also so appreciated. And please definitely comment. Let me know what you think of things. And yeah, just all of you have a fantastic day. And again, thank you so much, and bye.